dog Aggie.
There's a camera. Look at. Step on camera. Ooh, what's this? What is
Don't
this?
chew on it. It's not one of the food toys.
What is this?
She's so hairy, which makes her so cute.
What is this? Come on, Aggie.
It was a good name, Mom. Aggie. It was a good name.
Thank you. I'm very happy with the name.
Aggie?
Aggie.
Oh, you're going back to the snowy person.
You want to play with the kids more than you do the mommy.
Because you work a lot.
Or the snoring person.
No, she just knows what.
Shh. Snoring person.
She just knows the difference between adults and kids. Kids clearly.
Aggie.
Because kids play.
No, I don't think it is. I think she knows it younger.
Aggie.
I know.
She's,
What does he think about kids being
Aggie
tired?
is a new puppy.
yeah, but I also think that they
And
somehow know, not
second
because of
dog
your
in my
height.
life.
And what did you
We
say?
got
Oh,
him
because they play
yesterday.
more? But because they
On the
just know that you're a
Of
kid.
December
They
2015.
just know. It doesn't have to do with height. It doesn't have to do with that you play more. They just can sense it. You know what that means? Yeah?
No.
Aggie, Kimba. Say goodbye, Aggie.
When dogs are little,
Bye.
can they think